Hello, my name is Justin Ankrom, and I made a game called Walmart Bloons Tower Defense. So let's run it and see how it looks. So when you first run it, you'll see the game, Walmart Bloons Tower Defense, and so from the main screen, you either press P to play or H for help. So let's go first to the help. And the help we see is tells you about the game. It's a tower defense game. Just destroy the balloons, and then we go play. So here you can see that there is a path that's randomly generated every single time you run the game. I'll show that in a second. And the balloons go from the starting point and go along the path, and they try to get to the end of the path. If they get to the end of the path, it'll take health away depending on the type of balloon and how much damage it does. In order to stop this, you place turrets. So the turrets you buy from the shop with currency, which is placed right here. And you need a certain amount of money to buy each turret. When you destroy a balloon, it gives you money depending on the type of balloon it is. So after each wave, the next wave comes and they get progressively harder. And the objective of the game is to just not let the balloons get to the end of the path. And if they do, it just takes health away. And once you get to 0 health, the game is over. So this is the cannon. And the cannon just single fire just destroys the balloons. And let me show you so this is a map. Then when you run it again, see it's a different map now. We can run this again. And again, it's just another map and randomly generated every single time. Now, let me show you what the other darter and the bomb tower do. Okay, so, like I said before, the cannon just single fire and hits one at a time. And the darter hits one at a time, and it's very fast attack speed, but does very little damage. But it slows the enemies near it in a certain radius to what it hits. And it'll just permanently stay slowed. And then the bomb tower, it's a little wider, but it has splash damage and hits multiple targets at once. So whatever target's hitting, it'll splash onto the rest of them in a certain radius and do damage to them as well. And I can just place another darter, and we can see how they work. Well, that was the main features of Walmart Bloons Tower Defense. It's basically just a tower defense game, and the objective is to try to defeat and destroy all the balloons before they get to the end of the path. And thank you for watching.